I know this is fixed it here in the UK. So inside the box we've got some plastic clip, enough to go around a 1 meter by 1.5 window. We've got some magnetic tape. We've got another roll of magnetic tape, and this one's actually got the groove on. So this is obviously the one that goes with the white plastic. And then we've got some plastic clips, and we've got the I ordered white, and it would appear that they've shipped grey. Mind you, it doesn't really matter because the light's going to be coming through it anyway. But interesting. Plastic mesh. And here are the instructions. Build a magnetic frame, build a sticky frame, and cut the mesh to the right size, clip it together, attach the magnetic tape around the window that you're going to do. In fact, for the Velux it's going to be on the inside of the wall, and then once you've done that and you've created the frame, you clip it together and you can apply it. The good thing about having the clips, of course, they've got like finger things on them, and it being magnetic, is that it enables me to lift it off so I can open and close the Velux window, whereas if I used one that just glued to the wall, I wouldn't actually be able to get through to the window and open it, which would be absolutely useless. So I'm going to do one of these and make a video of it. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel. I'll let you know how well this goes. Actually, I'm just interested to see whether or not this other box, because they're both identical, whether or not one of these boxes does have a white mesh in it. So let me just open this one. No, they're both dark mesh, and I really can't be bothered to send it back and then go through the procedure, so just be aware you might get a dark mesh rather than a white mesh. And so I'll try one, see how it goes, and hopefully it'll work. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel. There's over 600 videos to choose from, some really good money saving and time saving tips. If you like any of the videos or they help you, please consider giving the video a super like or buying me a coffee, because there's a buy me a coffee in the video description. Also, before you ask any questions, please feel free to trawl through some of the comments, because quite often people have already asked the question and there's very good answers from some of my subscribers. Thanks for watching. Bye.